Hey guys, at this point in the video, we're removing panels to access the fuse box. Here I am using a test light to check for key on power, which was the cigarette fuse. Next, I'm crimping the fuse tap to the battery pack harness. Here I'm soldering the dash cam harness to the battery pack to make a secure connection. It's pretty simple, yellow to yellow, red to red, and if you're hardwiring, you'll need to cut the eyelet off the ground wire and connect it to the black wire. Now I'm removing panels to run the wires to the battery pack, which I chose to place underneath the seat. Here I'm running the wires underneath the carpet using the pre-cut holes. Here I'm just plugging everything in and making sure that I have a good connection and that the dash cam and the battery pack are working as designed. So we basically use the shark fin, which is the middle on most cars, to align the camera lens, not the camera, but just the lens itself. Here I'm just aligning the front camera. I opened the app and I was able to make sure that all the corners were being seen in the dash cam. Depending on your application, you can also flip the camera in the app to suit it to your liking.
Something broke.